Huskarls stood around the king at the centre of the shield wall, acting as his last line of defence. They were the most trusted and best trained warriors, forming a tight circle when needed, ready to die before letting harm come to their lord. Their skill and loyalty meant the heart of the army stayed strong, even when the rest of the line started to crumble. The front line of the shield wall was made up of warriors with interlocking shields, shoulder to shoulder. This wall formed a solid barrier, hard to break through. Fighting was up close and brutal, swords, spears and sayaxes stabbing through gaps, while shields were used to shove and bash. It took strength and nerve to hold the line, especially under pressure, but when held tight, it was near impossible to push through. Reserve troops were likely held back behind the main line to stop any flanking attempts and to reinforce weak spots in the shield wall. They could rush in if the front started to buckle, or swing round to hit the enemy from the sides if the chance came. These men added flexibility to the battle, keeping the shield wall from getting overwhelmed or surrounded. Archers would fire over the shield wall, softening up the enemy before the main clash. They also acted as skirmishers, moving ahead or along the flanks to harass the enemy, pick off key targets, and break their formation before hand-to-hand fighting began. While not always the main focus of Anglo-Saxon warfare, archers played a key role in creating openings and throwing the enemy off balance. Trying to outflank the enemy or force a break through their shield wall was often what finished a battle. These fights were close, bloody, and deeply personal. You'd be standing inches from your mates, and some of them might fall right beside you. Morale played a huge part. One man running could start a collapse, while one holding firm could steady the line. The boar snout formation, where warriors formed a wedge to punch through enemy lines, was used too, though it was less common. Once a shield wall broke, the fight turned into smaller, scattered skirmishes. Messy, frantic clashes where the skill and grit decided who walked away.
Be sure to check out my other channel, History Sticks, for the complete, longer and comprehensive video.